Hi, this is Johnny. I just want to go over the Snowpiercer, show, show, Snowpie, the game that was requested. So if you check the picture, it worked fine, but because the naming is correct, is SH right there. Okay, so the naming had to be lowercase s. So everything had to be lowercase. Okay, so first you have to fix is the game folder. Okay, make sure the game folder is correct. Okay, all right, so it's lowercase, and then you go into so this is your ASPh folder. So you go in there, you change the game folder, which we just did, and then you're gonna go to the hack folder. The hack folder, you're gonna have a folder called ROM info. You want to open that ROM info and search for that particular file, okay, which is going to, we just copy and paste. So we're going to search down. We'll be on the top. We're going to search down, okay. Make sure that this is a lowercase s and this is a lowercase s. That's the reason it's having problem. You have to have this to be lowercase and this to be lowercase. Okay, so once that's done, you just go ahead and save that and then close this one. And the last step you have to do is go into your location locator. Locator, you're gonna look for start with an S. So S star in RK3. Okay, because it's the last one. S to Z. So that's the last one. So you're gonna open up the game.ini and you're gonna do Control F and search for the same thing. You're gonna copy and paste, FBH and then search. Fine. Okay. Now if you can't find it, just search for number 34. All right, number 34. This need to be a lowercase as well. So once everything is lowercase, this game will work. Okay, for the fully loaded one. Now the arcade version, the one that it come with the arcade, I have to replace this file. The game itself, the ROM is having issue. Okay, so to fix that, I will have to create a folder so you guys could just download it. The people who have already have the arcade version downloaded, and if your program doesn't work, I'll go ahead and do that, get that set up. Okay, so let me do that, and then I'll show you how to do it. Okay, I created a called Simron Showdown Fix. Okay, and this zip file will be right here. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and upload it. To the Mega Drive, and you could just unzip it. Okay, it's a very small file. It's 594 kilobyte. It's already done right there. All right, so let me go ahead and get the link. The link is linked with the key, so you don't have to type in any key. I'll put that in my notepad. So you, not email, notepad. So you will have this link. This one, it would be the Snowpie Fixed. And here's the link. So you just copy and paste. Just copy the folder called ASPh. Okay, to the root of the flash drive. All right, and I'll put this link on the below the video. All right, so what you do is once you download it, you're gonna have, when you unzip it, you're gonna get a folder called this. All right, open that folder, you'll see this. Okay, so what you're gonna do is I'm gonna test this before I give it to you, make sure it works. I have a flash drive which is the ArcadeOnly, and it doesn't work because the driver is not correct. So if you look at my folder ASP, if you go to the ROM, not the ROM, the hack folder, for example, you're only going to see Arcade and CPS. There's no Nintendo, no Super, no nothing, just the Arcade. See that? So this is the Arcade ROM that I'm going to copy and paste to fix my Shinobi. Okay, so here's my ASP. This is I want to be in my root prompt, which is a P, the root prompt. Okay, so you're gonna take that, you're gonna click copy, and then you're gonna come over here and you're gonna do paste. And you're gonna ask you, do you want to replace the file in the destiny? You say click yes, you want to replace that. Okay, and that's it. And that should fix the program with that one particular game. All right. So this fix is for both the arcade level and the fully loaded version of Hilo Stick Hack version 1.1. Okay. All right. So we're gonna stick with the version 1.1. It's less confusing for everybody. All right. So that's what that fix. Now, so that's already zip up. I'm going to go ahead and zip up this one, but this one I need to fix one more thing before I zip it up. I have to fix the NES. One of the folder is not correct. The picture folder. Okay, the other one was messed up with this one. It's called a Super Pitfall. Okay, so I'm gonna go in here, Super Pitfall, and look at the pictures. See, it's not correct. So what I'm gonna do is go search for the correct picture by going to Google search and look for a game called Super Pitfall box up. And that's how you fix the, pretty much anything. You go to image, just replace that image with the correct image. So the first one I run into is this one, and it does have NES on it. Good. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna copy this location first. So when I save it, it's gonna ask you where you want to save it. At least I know where to put it. So save as, and we're gonna put it into the driver that I'm gonna zip up, which is this one, and it's gonna be called the same name called cover. Okay, and I need to change the, I think that for the NES non 3D is 175 by 205. So you could look at the picture first, see what size it's supposed to be. Yeah, 175 by 205. 175 by 205. So I'm going to replace that. Say yes, replace this one. So if you look at the picture now, it looks like this. But since the picture size is not correct, we are going to change to this location. And then we're going to arrow key down and change this to 205. I lost the insert key. And then this one's supposed to say 175. Yeah. All right. So I'm going to press enter. If you can see the picture, it's going to get fatter pretty quick. See, got fatter. All right. So this picture is ready. And it's supposed to label cover. And then this is what. So this fixed that picture of the confusing of that game. So that's the second fix. So we fixed that. We already fixed the Chevron, the Samuel 5 Perfect, and we added a 2 extra hack with a blazing star and pause star. Okay, so those nothing need to be done. All right, so this one is ready for you guys. So I'm going to zip it up because it's all fixed. So I'm going to go ahead and press zip it up, and then I'm going to upload it. Okay, now you might ask, well, how big is this file? After you zip it, it's about 10, but before you zip it, is roughly about, let's see how big this is. It's pretty good size. Oh, by the way, those of you who's interested in Nintendo NES, please, the, the person they told me to contact is this guy in the Telegram. You want to contact FAKE, fake Maria, Maria. You want to talk to him. He's the one that had the latest version. You just click download, and whenever you click download, if you can't find it, it's in your user prompt directory. So like for example, if I want to download, oh, this is the latest 3.2.1. I haven't done those. Those are the new that allow you to work with the high-low stick, like the flash drive you have. If you plug into the mini, it's supposed to work. So I just click download, and then you just click download. Here you just click download. It automatically put it into the folder. What's this? Oh, okay. So those are the 3 you need for the NeoGeo Mini. Okay, for the USB flash. So you need to get those to flash it. And then here's some information about the blazing star and the pause star. What was enhanced. The blazing star was enhanced in the difficulty selection, colorize, and always the on. So when you could go to different stage. And this one, they just opened up the 320 pixel with the green screen, which was originally I think 304. So now it's 320. And so if you need the version, you go to this guy or go to the firmware. You could go to chat. This is the place where you get all the download. All the download is all here. Okay. The NeoGeo Mini ROM address or whatever, you could read up to it. I'm kind of behind on this. So I'm very behind on this. I don't know what's going on with this. So you would probably have to backtrack a lot, like me, to find out exactly what's going on. Okay, I think this is a program. You cannot when you click download, it put it into a folder, and that folder is located at. Okay, it locate this whenever you click download. This one you can even open it. So when you click download, you have to go to the download folder on your PC. Okay, then you'll see the Telegram desktop. So everything you click on is going to be here. All right. So they have Ninja Turtle 2-player patches. Those are for the. So we're going to sort by date. So the one I'm downloading right now is 1, 2, 3. See. So to unzip, this is already finished downloading. So if I want to unzip this, I just right click, and see here's the program I was telling you about. This one, it's right out there. So I unzip it to, I guess, officially high-low stick mini 2.1. The group process access file because it's being used by another program. But I guess it's still downloading, still not finished yet. So once it finished, you click this, and then it will create a folder for you. So this is where it is. So when I click download, I didn't say where, so it default to this place. Okay, so if you're looking for, that's how you find it. All right, this is how you use the Telegram. You just need to log in to them and set up a user account, and then once you set up the user account, you click on the link again, and you will get connected like I did. All right, they'll welcome you. You know. All right, so before you zip it, it's 14.2 gigabyte. After you zip it, is under 10 gigabyte. Okay, so this is before Game Boy. Now Game Boy, before it zip up is 6 gigabyte, and after you zip it up is 2 point something gigabyte. Okay, so just FYI. All right, so if I wanted to update the Game Boy, for example, this one is an arcade stick. Like I told you, it did not have nothing on it, but for test purpose, I'm just going to use this one to demonstrate that it works. So I'm going to show you that I'm going to go to the game folder. Not game folder, hack folder. And inside the hack folder, they only have 2 folders, arcade and CPS. Those are your arcade ROM. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the site, download it, and when you download it, you're going to see okay, when you download it, you're going to see this file called Game Boy 797 add-on, and then today's date. So when you unzip it, if you go and look inside, you're going to see that there's nothing but just that one folder. So if you use 7-zip and open up the archive, this is what you're going to see. Okay, and that is exactly what I'm giving you right here. Okay, same thing. All right, so you're going to take that. All right, you're going to copy it, and then you're going to paste it here. You're going to go to, so in the future, this one is going to become the same as the other one. So you're just going to come here. So you're going to, so now I'm in the P drive, the flash drive, okay, on the root of the flash drive. Now I'm going to take this, copy it, come over here, and then paste it. And it's going to ask you, well, it's going to run for a while because it's going to have a lot of file that doesn't exist over there. So it's going to copy. It's going to take 1 hour and 45 minutes. Wow, to copy this folder over to here. And this folder for Game Boy, before it zip up, let me show you how big it is. It is 6.10 gigabyte. That's why, I mean, I guess the file itself is a, but when you zip it up, it's only 2.6. Okay. So yes, it's 6 gigabyte. That's the reason it's so big that it won't fit on Google Drive. I have to put it on Mega Drive because Google only allow me 15 gigabyte. Okay, so I'm going to be giving you all the link on the description, so you could pick from whatever one you want. And right now I'm still zipping up, so I'm going to replace the one I already put up out there to a different one. So as you can see, this one I'm putting up on Google Drive is not going to have Game Boy. Okay, Game Boy Advance. If you want to get Game Boy, you need to download from this link, which is I haven't got the link yet. Let me go find the link. So you're gonna go download from that site. So I'm gonna add all this for you guys so you could find everything easier. This is what you will see when you go into the link, but I need the original one. I need this one, Game Boy add-on. Okay, so I'm gonna say manage the link. I say the link with this. I'm gonna copy that. Go to all tab, and so for Game Boy, you're going to download this link. Okay, for Shinobi Snokia, whatever how you pronounce it, you want to copy this folder to the root. And this is the link for it. Why do I have to? Oh, I know what I did wrong. I think that's the reason I didn't have a link up here, because I put the link in the wrong place. So let me go ahead and grab that one as well, just to be safe, in case I got the wrong link. Okay, make sure I click on that, copy that link, close that out, and go back to this. Okay, that's for this one. So you have Game Boy add-on and a fix, and the old version that I removed that I'm putting it back, and then the new Hydro Stick Arcade Only. This is the same one as before, and then now you have Hydro Stick patch only for the update. I mean the hack only, doesn't have any game or nothing. No game, no ASPh folder. Okay, it's just the hack. All right, so this and this is the link for the hack, and then this one fully loaded. I don't think people could download it, but I need to do a new one because as you can see, there's some patches need to be done. So I don't have a link for that yet. All right, so stay tuned and look at the bottom of the description. You should have all the link for everything. Okay, so for the Game Boy, let's go ahead and do that. So we take the Game Boy, we copy and paste it, and it's still going. So it's going to take a while. And once it's finished, we could test it and see how it goes. But that's pretty much it. All right. Hopefully, that's all you need to do. And for the Foodie patch, it's the same way. You just unzip it, copy it, paste it. I mean, do copy like this, copy the folder, and then come here and paste it. Okay. But if you don't have a Foodie loaded one, then you will have to rename this folder or delete the folder, then copy the original one over. The Game Boy, you don't. Game Boy, you have to copy like this. Copy, and then he's going to ask you, do you want to replace it? You say yes. All right. Okay, so hopefully this video helped, and hope the different link will help you guys as well. All right. Later, you guys.